Unleashing the Power of Rhetoric, a journey through rhetorical devices. Hello language explorers, and welcome to another exciting video. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of rhetorical devices used in literature and language arts. They are essential tools that help shape our expressions and persuade, inform, or entertain our audience. So, let's get started and master these incredible linguistic tools. To begin with, rhetorical devices are techniques used by writers or speakers to convey their points more effectively. They manipulate language to appeal to the reader or listener, influence their emotions, and stimulate their intellectual curiosity. Some common examples are metaphor, simile, alliteration, hyperbole, and irony. But don't worry if these terms sound intimidating. We'll explore each one in depth. 1. Metaphor. A metaphor is a comparison between two unlike things that share a common characteristic. For example, life is a roller coaster. Here, life, which is full of ups and downs, is compared to a roller coaster. 2. Simile. A simile is similar to a metaphor, but it uses the words like or as for comparison. For instance, he is as brave as a lion. 3. Alliteration. Alliteration involves the repetition of the same consonant sound at the beginning of adjacent or closely connected words. For example, she sells seashells by the seashore. 4. Hyperbole. This is an extreme exaggeration used to make a point. I'm so hungry, I could eat a horse, is a classic example. 5. Irony. Irony is when the reality is the opposite of what was expected or said. The fire station burned down is an ironic statement. Now that we've understood what rhetorical devices are and have explored some common ones, let's talk about their usage. These devices are not just limited to literature. You can use them in your daily communication to make it more engaging and impactful. For instance, use metaphor or simile to describe an abstract concept, alliteration for catchy slogans, or irony to convey subtle humor. Remember, practice is key to mastering the use of these devices. And there you have it, the fascinating world of rhetorical devices. We hope you found this journey enriching and helpful. Practice using these devices in your writing and speaking, and soon you'll find yourself articulating thoughts with enhanced clarity, charm, and persuasiveness. Thank you for joining us in this learning experience, and remember, language is an art. Make sure you paint a beautiful picture with your words.